This is my collage painting entitled Reign of Justice over New Orleans. The footstool of the Creator Yahweh is justice and righteousness. Now is a time He is raining down His justice. The courts have been seated on behalf of the covenant of Yeshua with America's founders and indigenous peoples, the Iroquois, also the covenant with the Mayflower, with Yeshua, has never been kept. And so this painting depicts the courts and the cloud of witnesses, which is our ancestors who have died in the faith and are still living in heaven, praying for the justice to be established and the inheritance to come forth for their grandchildren. However, to receive the inheritance, you have to be of the kingdom of God, not the Babylonian system. And these things, Babylonian system is falling at this time to establish the inheritance for the ones that have gone before us, who stood in faith and kept the covenant. And the king will always keep his covenant. And now is a time that the strongest ones have lived and kept the faith, and they will receive the inheritance at this time to rebuild the kingdom. Reign of justice over New Orleans before the reign of the kingdom, the king. There's only one king. And if you're in agreement with this king, he is faithful to the faithful.